Hey hair growth gurus! Welcome back to my channel. If you're anything like me, you're obsessed with getting longer, stronger, healthier hair. Today, we're diving deep into the world of DIY hair growth recipes using the power of natural oils. Forget expensive salon treatments, we're unlocking the secrets to rapid hair growth right in your kitchen. Get ready to say hello to your dream hair. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my hair growth secrets. Before we jump into the recipe, let's quickly talk about why these oils work. Hair growth is all about stimulating the scalp, nourishing the follicles, and reducing breakage. Certain oils are packed with essential fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants that do just that. We're talking about oils that are trending right now for hair growth. Like coconut oil, a classic for a reason. It penetrates the hair shaft to reduce protein loss and keep your hair strong. Castor oil, the thickest of the bunch. It's full of ricinoleic acid, which is amazing for stimulating hair growth and thickening strands. Sesame oil nourishes the scalp with vitamins and minerals, promoting hair growth and reducing dryness, while its antifungal and antibacterial properties can help maintain a healthy scalp environment. Rosemary oil, this is a must-have. Studies show it can be as effective as minoxidil for hair growth. It boosts circulation to the scalp. Well, all we need is 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, few drops of rosemary oil. Mix all of these together in a small bowl. Now, the key is to massage this into your scalp for at least 5 minutes. Use your fingertips to apply gentle pressure in circular motions. This will boost circulation and help the oils penetrate deeply. Leave this on for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight for a supercharged treatment. Then, wash your hair as usual. I want to share a few important tips to maximize your hair growth results. First, remember that diet plays a huge role in hair health. Make sure you're eating a balanced diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. Consider taking a hair-friendly supplement like biotin, collagen, or vitamin D. These can help to support hair growth from the inside out. Avoid heat styling as much as possible. Heat can damage your hair and lead to breakage. When you do use heat, always use a heat protectant spray. Be patient. Hair growth takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Consistency is key. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel for more hair growth tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.